Guys eat poop. Get over it. Okay?
Hello.